Welcome to How to Pronounce. In today's video, we'll be focusing on a new word that you might find challenging or intriguing. So let's dive into today's word,
Remitida.
which means
Remitida is not an English word and seems to be a misspelling or a word in another language. If you meant remitted in English, the definition is returned or transmitted payment, pardoned or lessened, condition.
let's say it all together.
Remitida. Remitida. Remitida.
One more time.
Remitida. Remitida. Remitida.
Thank you for joining us on this adventure in pronunciation. Remember, language is a journey, not a destination. Keep exploring, experimenting, and expanding your linguistic horizons. We'll see you next time.